Tell me the truth, do you really like social media marketing? You know, I really don't. It's not a lot of fun. In fact, I see a lot of politicians and I see a lot of anger and there's so many people being upset and I'm kind of bored, to be honest, with all of the content. It's just not any fun anymore. And with the algorithms, gosh, you know, it's like no one likes my stuff. I'm just bored. I totally hear you. And you know, I really just wish there was another way that we could promote our businesses online that really didn't involve social media. Well, there absolutely is. A lot of people have really gotten sick and tired of the way social media works. I'm naming the big ones here. That's Facebook and Instagram, and they're not having a lot of fun with it. It seems like a lot of other influencers are doing great. Anybody else who is getting started is really having a tough time. And they're not enjoying themselves. And let's be honest, aren't we just a little bit tired of seeing all of the quote pictures? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways for you to get clients even if you hate marketing. So stick around. Hello, I'm Sharon Lee of fearlesspursuits.com and you are watching Fearless and PowerTube, the place to be for entrepreneurs who love making money and improving their mind. So let's just jump into the video because I want to share with you some ways that maybe you haven't thought of to help you get clients even if you hate marketing. Now, you've probably heard it before that it's who you know in this world that'll get you places. Well, in this very first idea, it's all about networking with industry professionals. When you are interviewing experts in the industry, it really elevates you as an expert. As I talked about before in other videos, you need to create your own YouTube channel. And in this way, you'll be able to promote those expert videos and it'll help other people get value. You'll be known as the expert that gives value in the marketplace. This is really tremendous for you because you'll be able to build your list. Now, this is a great idea if you like writing. Have you ever heard of Medium.com? Medium.com is a great place for you to showcase your expertise and your skill. They love new content. And as I've talked about before, content is king or queen. But we realize that what we want to do is we want to get in front of as many people as we possibly can, tell them what we do, and then make an offer. And on Medium.com, that's exactly what you can do. So you should be thinking about getting in front of other people on other people's blogs or other people's podcasts. It's a really great way if you don't like doing the social media thing. And finally, it's really important for you to build your list. One of the best ways to build your list is through giving away something for free. You can do that using Pinterest or on your YouTube channel. It's something that's so easy to do. And you could even do this when you're blogging on other people's blogs or when you're on somebody else's podcast. It's actually an advanced move, but one that is really worth it when you can get in front of other people's audiences and then give something away for free. What will end up happening is you'll get a lot more people on your email list so that you can send them weekly updates and newsletters and let them know what you're doing so that you could get them over to your YouTube channel or over on your podcast and just let them see you as the expert. Getting new clients using the old traditional ways can be about as exciting as going to the dentist. But when you try these other ways, they actually help you to avoid burnout and help you build your list, which is far more valuable than hanging out on social media every single day. After all, we know that the money is in the list. All right, so I've got another video for you that you might like. It's the passive income model. I'll put the link up above here and below, so you can click on that and watch it. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you can get notified of fresh videos when I upload them. See you in the next video.